Hi there, I'm Class, and today we're going through a system called Woogle that will help us simply connect a Google Sheet all the way to WooCommerce so that you can match your products easily by using this sheet that we're looking at here and making changes both to the site and to the dashboard, the WordPress dashboard. So let's start here over here. So let's just say we wanted to add a new product. In this case, we will add an item called headsets. Cool. So we're not gonna put in a product ID because this will by default be added by WordPress itself. So we're just gonna move on to this part here and add a regular price. Let's just say these headsets are worth $250. And there's no special happening on the headsets. So I need to add an image, which that image I'm gonna add is one that I already have on the site. So let me just go there and the media, and the image is this one over here. Alright, let's copy that URL, let's put it into this here, right? And now that we're happy with that, there's options we can consider in order to publish this site. So we first can go with the pending, publish or draft. So right now we'll put it up as a draft and let's put it there, or pending. If my superior has to check the work, I would leave it on pending and my superior will be on to publish the page. But for now we can go in as draft. If we want to do that, then we'll leave it as draft by default. Once I make the change there, if I go onto the back end here and go under products, more products, I will now see the draft here, headsets for $250. It's already there, it's ready to go. So say I've done the work and my superior wants to come in and check the work I did, then if he's happy with all that, he can publish. But first let's have a look here. Let's refresh and make sure. So you can see we don't see it here at all here from the front of the store. Then my superior says, hey, job done, he's happy, let's publish the thing. Now on the back end as well, we'll see that there'll be a change. See, it doesn't take any effect yet. Let's refresh once again. There we go. So now we see an ID here of 139. Then we come here, we see that ID here. So when we refresh here, we should be able to see the product. Here we are, headsets for $250. Now let's say we want to be more specific now and say they changed the name and called it GB headsets, right? That's the new name that they're going with now. And they will be on special, they'll be going for $150 instead. Okay, cool. Now they want to tell us that the cash machine is off special, so I'm just going to do that and leave it like that. Then I'm going to change this to pending. I think that's the one I changed, and I'm going to change that one. I'm going to put this one also to pending so my superior can confirm. When I automatically change the stuff to pending, let's refresh the site on the dashboard. It wasn't taking effect yet. Let's do one last refresh there. Then we see it's pending now. And another product is also pending, which is the bike black, right? Then my superior comes in and says, okay, he's looking at the changes, he thinks everything is working out great. He's gonna publish. But let's see, since I left it that way, the products that are currently pending have now been removed on the site. So now my superior comes back and says, okay, cool, we're happy with this stuff. Let's now publish this stuff. Once that takes place, on the dashboard, hopefully it won't take too long, we'll see that we're back again. It's 139. Now it's a sale on it of 150, and it's called GB headsets, right? So when we go ahead and refresh here, we see that outcome here as well, and we also see that the black which one had a sale on it? I had a sale of 200, I think. Yeah, there we go. So Blackhead has been moved away from the sale, so now bike black, what am I calling Blackhead? Bike black is now off the sale. You will see that's just 400 as the original price 2 months. So it makes managing products far more easier and effective. And that's the whole point of this Woogle demonstration here. So give me a call. Let's have a chat.